here we have generated this IP. Now we will do the program. So same thing as the last time. For the test bench we keep the same as the last one, we just change the name. Now we have to develop this one. Portal parameters are the same, we just need to put this image yuv instead of RGB, and the dimensions are the same. Now if we do this, same thing, we copy paste from the other one, except here not 23 but 1 by 3 to read just this one. When you receive the data, this is the image that we are going to receive, we just read this one, read the while, skip this, read this one, skip this. To get, we will just need to extract this one, gray value. It's not like the last time that we need to average this plus this plus this divided by 3. But this time we just need to extract this compound. If you extract this one, it is the gray compound. This time we need to do something different, so we declare in the process at positive edge of axis clock, we can end. So we check if the result is okay. Rusty, began, and else if the data is valid, we can end. So what are we going to do? We need to initialize the data, the output data. Everything 0 and data valid is 1 bit. Here we need to declare finite state machine, in which we need to read each time one component escape the other. We maybe call it counter. We declare a counter 2 bits, but we will explain later how this will function. So this one, of course, it needs to be initialized because it's this counter. Here we just count. If current 0, we read. 1, don't read, read, don't read, read. We have two values in other formats. We'll explain it. Just using this counter, column 1 by 1 will extract. One time we extract, one time we don't. So here it is 2 bits, 0, 0 in binary. Here we put like this. Which time we are. And case. We do all the cases possible. First case is 0, 0. Began. Second one. Third one, fourth one. So third one. 1, 0, and 1, 1. So here, the O data, which is the Y, will equals to input data, and we'll have to accept it as valid to the output, and we increase or increment counter like this. String 1, it is not y, because remember, we are working like this. Y, u, maybe v, y, u, v, y. So every time we extract this, it gives to us. Now, here the first one we have extracted it. Now this one and down, we just ignore them. We don't do anything, we just say that the data is not valid. We keep counting. String 1, we need to do the same thing as this one. Sorry, it is mistake. Why we have this? And last time, to come back to 0, it means our counter needs to be reinitialized to come back here. So here we put 0. We just reinitialize it. And we tell the output that the data shouldn't be taken into account. Like this. We check if it is working. We need also to instantiate it in our design. Like this, yuv, call it ut, and here we put the necessary data. Instantiation means our IP will be given input and output variables that we have declared in the beginning, like this, and so on. So here we have declared the clock. The result will be from here. The IP needs data valid. Take this one. So the input data for this one, because this is where we are reading from the file. Output data valid, this one, and the output data, 7 bits, 8 bits. Now we'll test and see if it is working. We just run simulation.